Hello friend, I am Vijay Pandey, Assistant Professor, IMS University of Lucknow. Today I am discussing the topic value chain analysis. This concept is originally developed by Michael Porter. He has given this concept in the year 1985 in his famous book Competitive Advantage. Under this book, he has discussed how the firms will analyze their values with the help of their activities so that if there is any problem in any part they may go through and find their solutions, their competitive advantage, core competency, or how if there is a weakness, how that can be reduced. Same we may discuss the value creation is a concept which captures the value through the production of goods and services, and during this process how much the margin they have earned. This concept is given by the Michael Porter with the help of fish diagram in which he have divided whole of the activity into two parts. First one he called the primary activities and second he called the support activities. Under the primary activities he bring the outbound logistics which the company produce the goods or services for their customers. These primary activities he has divided into these parts. First one he called it the inbound logistic. Second one he called it the operations. Then after the outbound logistics, marketing and sales services. Under the inbound logistic, which he has taken the first type of division under the primary activities, he has discussed from where how the organization are procuring the raw materials and all the inputs required for the purpose of production. Under the operation, how the goods are processed, manufactured so that they will become useful for the customer with maximum value creation. Under both of the conditions, his focus is to go through the discussion of the SWOT analysis. SWOT word is the SWTO, means strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. Strength means कि what are the core competency of the organizations so that they will more exploit these to enhance their profitability in the system of inbound logistics and the operations. As if there is any of the weakness, how that can be removed, how that can be reduced so that the core competency will become more positive. Opportunities such as it is the external factor कि what are the other opportunities existing in the market that may be captured by the organization so that they will enhance their profit. And the threats, if this is also the external factor of the strategic analysis, under this if any of the threats existing in the market either is the social, political, economic, international, how that can be reduced. When the goods are manufactured, produced, it go to the wholesalers, that is called the outbound logistics. Again the same things are applied. Go through the SWOT analysis. Organizations will try to find where their core competency, if any of the weakness, how that can be reduced, and what are the next opportunities that can be grabbed by the organization, and if any of the threats, how that can be avoided. Next step is the goods going to be from the wholesaler to the retailers. That part is called the marketing and sales. Under the marketing and sales, organization is again going to analyze what is the core competency and what their competitors are doing, how they will grab the customer base, and through this how they will maximize optimize their sales value. And after selling the goods, it's become very important how they will provide the after sales services to their customers, so that they will enhance their profitability to the organization. Under the support activities, these are the primary activities through which the organization will try to optimize the value of the organization. But it is not possible only the organization to optimize or maximize their value only through the primary activities. Support activities are also important for the organization, which are also called the operational activities of the organization. Under this, the first one is the firm's infrastructure. What is the firm's infrastructure existing, and what type of things they are doing? What are their peer groups are doing? Who are their main competitors? What they have the infrastructure? If this is again analyzed with the help of SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. These four words are very important for in the field of analysis. It is either for the value or for the strategy. Again, the second step is the human resource management. In any of the organization's soft skill or human resource is very key factors. How they are managed, how they are taught, how they are retained, and how they have become, how they will make the more competitive, more productive, so that organization value and technology technology is playing the major role in the current scenario. So the technological development, technological enhancement, and activity to be very important, so that the organizations are playing major role to develop the technology. Procurement is the basic and primary activity which come under the support activity, from where the all the resources, specifically the financial resources, are procured by the organization. If organizations rationally analyze their primary activities as well as support activities, they will enhance the margin and become more competitive in the system, and sustainably they will grow in the system. That is the analysis of the Michael Porter. Thank you for today class.